The good news is they've approved your daughter naturalization. I was like,
So Kind UK is a legal advice charity that provides legal representation and advice to children, young people and families in the UK who don't necessarily have British nationality or they don't have any kind of immigration status here. I think there's over 200,000 undocumented children in the UK at the moment.
I'm always someone who believes that where you're born is a lottery and you've got no right to be anywhere, frankly. We're all humans. And so being conscious of that means you should be helping those whose position you could just as easily have been in due to birth.
We work collaboratively with law firms across the UK who then provide lawyers who work on our cases pro bono, and they volunteer their time and their skills to work with the children and young people who are referred to Kind.
my daughter have lived to remain, and he has been here for over 13 years. Big time struggle. She's in A-level now.
Coming up to the sort of age where she had to put in a submission to get her citizenship. Otherwise, the time would lapse and she may end up being at risk of deportation.
She will be limited of where she can explore, travel and all that.
These type of immigration processes, they're usually very complicated for no rhyme or reason. And I think that's what kind of deters a lot of people from making these applications. So even by just breaking down, the application process into simpler bits or advising the client as to, different ways to achieve different objectives, seeing how they were quite happy with how simple something actually can be, and how that would help their children get British citizenship. I think that was very satisfying.
All around them is about help, assistance, support. And, as a family, we felt we're in the right place.
And a lot of our work was to help her and her family, guide them through the process and how they actually put forward their arguments and case to the Home Office and actually exercise their rights that are already there so that she could stay. And her case was successful.
Getting that email from the Home Office saying that, your application for British citizenship has been successful, and then all of us getting on a call to tell the family the good news, I think was my most favorite part.
Kind UK did it for us, not us. So thank you so much.